Alright, before we dive in, don't miss out. There's a juicy discount link in the description below. Go on, give it a click. Now, if you've ever sent money overseas, you know it can feel a bit like sending a carrier pigeon and hoping for the best. But today, I'm putting two of the biggest remittance apps head to head, Panda Remit and Remitly. Let's see who comes out on top. First up, fees. Panda Remit's got a reputation for super low fees, sometimes as low as, well, nothing. Remitly? They're not exactly robbing you, but their fees can climb depending on how fast you want your money to arrive. So if you're a fan of keeping your cash, Panda Remit's off to a flying start. But hang on, speed matters too. Remitly's express service can land your money within minutes. Panda Remit usually takes a few hours to a day, so not snail mail but not exactly teleportation either. Now, let's talk exchange rates. Both apps offer competitive rates, but Panda Remit sometimes sneaks ahead, especially if you're sending to Asia. Remitly tends to offer a bit more stability, so you know what you're getting. How about user experience? Panda Remit's app is clean and simple. Think IKEA flat pack, but you won't need an Allen key. Remitly's app is flashy and friendly with loads of languages and a live chat if you get stuck. And support? Remitly's customer service is like that helpful neighbor, always there in a pinch. Panda Remit has live chat too, but sometimes you might have to wait for a reply. So, who wins? If you want your money there fast, Remitly's your best bet. If you're watching every penny, Panda Remit's got you covered. Right, before you dash off to make your next transfer, don't forget, check out the special offer in the description below. Save some cash and thank me later. Thanks for watching and happy sending.